Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. This is a very important setup if you want to track customer activity, send automated emails, and build powerful flows that can increase your sales. Don't worry if you're a beginner. I'm going to keep everything simple and easy to follow so you can connect everything without any confusion. By the end of this video, your Klaviyo and Shopify will be fully connected and ready to use. So let's get started. First thing we want to do is go to our Shopify account. Then, go to the left side of the screen and click Settings. After that, a view screen appears and we will scroll down and look for the option that says Domain. After that, we will click it. Then under the Domain section on the right, there is a URL which we are going to copy it. Remember to exactly copy it without adding anything or taking anything. After copying it, we will go to our Klaviyo account and go to the left side of the screen and click the option that says Integration, and an option appears which we go and click Explore Apps, which is in black. Then a search bar appears where we will search up Shopify. Then click the first outcome. Then click Install at the bottom left of the screen. Then a new tab opens where it asks us for the URL from our Shopify account. Then we will paste the one we copied from our Shopify account. Then we will configure settings of the integration right there, and after finishing, we will click Connect to Shopify. Then a new screen appears where it asks us to install Klaviyo on our Shopify account, which we will click Install at the right bottom of the screen. Then Klaviyo asks us to confirm the new integration, which we will integrate by clicking Integrate. Then we will get a message in green at the top of the screen that our integration was successful. To sum up, we connected Klaviyo with Shopify so we can track customer behavior, collect data, and start using flows and automations to grow our store. Once everything is connected properly, Klaviyo will automatically sync your data and help you send more targeted and effective messages. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.